Today is the 6th of December 2025. The time is around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I am at Amar Seva Sangam's Orchids, the orchid farm, which was started a few years ago by Mrs. Pushpa Shankaraman with several different types of plantations. What we are seeing here now is the Thailand pink guava. Yeah. These trees that we see, which have grown now to almost first floor height and second floor height, and this particular tree, I've seen it when it was just planted, not even 1 foot in height. Now this tree is a peach tree, which once it grows, it will start bearing fruits. There are thousands of different types of plants here. Apple, HRM 99, this is one kind of apple, and we have the Kashmiri apple plant here. Now you see, this place is so beautiful, it's so green that you can even see some peacocks at times. This is the ambalam tree. Wow, it's grown so beautifully. I saw it the day it was planted. Wow. And there are so many small plants that have been planted here. They're yet to be named, some of them. This is Katrayai, it says. I'm new to this plant, I've never heard about it. There are so many of them that we may not have even heard. There are plants which have been brought from different parts of the world, from Amazon forest. This is Talikirai plant here. Karumpula plant here. This is Lemba plant here. This is rose apple. The varieties are such that no single species of plant is duplicated. This is golden Sita, one of my favorites. That is red Sita, the one over there. And this is so beautiful. This is velvet apple. We have never heard of such things. Oh, this is avocado, one of the most nutritious fruits that we can talk about, we can ever think of. Not very well known in India though. Avocado juice is something that is consumed in a very large quantity in the Western world and also down under. Avocado grows very nicely in countries like Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Fiji. It's a very famous drink there. Avocado is picking up in India very slowly, and I love that juice. Oh, this is a beautiful tree here. So we see a lot of people who have come here to visit the place, see the place. Now, just hold on for a second, please. Now, I'm taking a walk. Oh, this is going to be like an unbelievable experience. I would say everyone should visit this place at least once in a lifetime to know how an absolutely unfertile land can be converted into a beautifully fertile land. Wow, this is lemon jack. This place, once upon a time, this whole area that we are looking at was the home for amla. Okay, this is Madura Luvi. Never heard of this. This is Matova. I need to find out from where all these plants have been brought, because they don't look like Indian plants. They don't have the Indian name. This is mango, obviously. But this is called as the Bangalore mango. This is Indian. This is Alfonso mango, which is also Indian. Now people coming from Maharashtra would normally be able to resonate with this particular name very often. This is Imam Pasand mango. Wow. the meaning itself, Imam Pasand. And this is Centura mango. See the different varieties of species that are available. Oh my God, Malika mango. This is Kottur Konam mango, probably from Kerala. The name suggests something like that. And இது நாட்டு காலை குண்டு. Amar Seva Sangam is an establishment which is dedicated to providing service to those who are affected in the spinal cord and for rehabilitation. I will do a separate video on that. Watch out for the video on Amar Seva Sangam in a little while. Oh, this is Natchatram Tiruvadarai Kari Maram. I'm hearing this for the first time. It's a pure Tamil tree. This is Natchatram Pura Natchatram Palasu Maram. All these are named after the different nakshatras. Yeah, in Hindu we have nakshatra. Okay, so this is Anusham. This is Mula nakshatra. This is Chitra nakshatra. There are plants even for the different nakshatras that we all are familiar with. This is Swati nakshatra. This is Uttratadi nakshatra. I'm waiting for the Ailyam. I'm an Ailyam Aslesha. So I'm just waiting for my nakshatra tree. Let me see where it is. This is Avittam. I hope I'm not going to be disappointed because they didn't have an Ailyam nakshatram. This is Sadayam. This is Revati. Now it looks like probably the Ailya nakshatram, that is Aslesha nakshatram. Plant is not here. Let me go around and see. Maybe it is there but it hasn't grown. This is Mesha nakshatram. This is Tula nakshatra. This is Vrichiga nakshatram. Rishabham, Rasi. These are all Rasis, not nakshatra. Dhanus Rashi, Makara Rashi, Kumbha Rashi. This is Kadaka Rashi. I belong to this Rashi. Ailyam is Kadaka Rashi. Kumbha Rasi, Simha Rasi. Oh, it's Navagrahangal. Now these are the 9 planets. Navagraham Suryan, Navagraham Sani. I am walking through the 9 planets right now. Sevvai, Ragu, and we also have plenty of windmills around that are used for agricultural purposes. This is Rumani mango. Rumani mango, a very famous mango that is available in North India. And there is also a place for children to play. This is Kudada's mango. This is Kesar mango. Wow, I didn't know there was something called as Kesar mango. So we continue to look at this. It's Amar Seva Sangam, or this Orchids farm that we are looking at, is in a place called Ayikudi, Ayikudi. You can probably do a search on Google for Ayikudi Amar Seva Sangam, and it will show you what Amar Seva Sangam has been doing for the last 44 years under the able leadership of Ramakrishnan sir and Mr. Shankar Raman. This is Colombo mango. This is Langara mango. The beauty of this Amar Seva Sangam is there are plenty of people there for rehabilitation, for treatment. There are interns who come and do their internship here from medical colleges, from different other therapy colleges and all that. And they have physiotherapy units and different kinds of departments. And the food that is given to them on a daily basis, breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, dinner, everything is purely organic. Whatever is grown within Amar Seva Sangam and in the orchids, the place where we are right now, is what is consumed most of the time. Okay, almost 90% of the food that is prepared are prepared organic, and very rarely do they have to get food from outside. They even have a cow shed, what we call as goshala, where there are plenty of cows, and the milk, the buttermilk, the curd, that's all prepared, is all prepared from the produce or the milk that is obtained from the goshala, from the cows. There are coconut trees. The coconuts are taken out of those coconut trees, and then the outer skin of the coconuts are not thrown away, but they are used, recycled for various different things. They even manufacture clothes, garments. They prepare stationery. They manufacture stationery items. They even manufacture, for those people who require artificial legs. They not only manufacture here, but they also export it to the whole world. They have sponsorship coming from different countries, Japan, Germany, and so many other countries. And they have Amar Seva Sangam has rehabilitated thousands and thousands of people, and they have helped and nurtured thousands of people in India and from abroad. This is water nelly. Okay, and this is avocado once again. Karikapattai, Karpuram, Chedi, Manjal, this is Karpur plant. Did we know that these kind of plants existed in the world? My God. These are plums, plum plant. These are navel white. Once they start bearing fruits, they will all look so beautiful. I have tasted the amlas that used to be here once upon a time. But this whole place, this whole side on the other side was filled with amlas. Amlas, every tree used to bear hundreds of them, like what we see over here. This is the amla tree. Now the amla trees have been converted into, or rather changed to other trees, because these amla trees have now live their life, and that is why this whole place became very unfertile, and now that has been converted into an absolutely fertile place. You can see the amount of amlas that are lying down here. Yeah. Wow. I think this would give me at least about 15-20 kilos of amlas if I start picking them up. And all this, all these that are lying down here can be converted into uh, edible stuff, which is what is done by Amar Seva Sangam. They don't, not the ones which are lying on the floor, but they pick up from the trees and prepare amla, various different products of amla, and these are exported and these are sold in markets or within local areas. I'm taking a walk. It's like an individual doing a walk or talk. Um, and I'm enjoying. The weather is so beautiful. It has been raining for the last few days, but today it's very pleasant, and we are having a wonderful time here. Um so I'm Srinivasan. I would like to say hi to all of you, and thank you for watching this video. And I wish you would all be able to come here one day and spend some time, not only because the place is so beautiful, but one can be enriched in life with all new different kinds of uh, unbelievable things that people do here. Okay. And I'm not saying it because I know the people personally, but I'm saying it because I've seen it with my own eyes right from the day that this place was bought, and they started planting these trees and the plants and different kinds of uh, vegetation that they are growing here. So thank you very much for watching, and more to come. Keep watching my videos in the near future. Bye bye.